If you're new here, welcome to Forge Your Life. This is a channel about money, mindset, and building a better life one step at a time. I'm David. I'm 56 years old, and I've learned a lot about life, about finances, relationship, personal struggles, and starting over. I've known success, and yeah, I've known failure. I'm not a guru, and I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just a regular guy trying to make ends meet. I'm thinking about retirement and building a life that I can be proud of. My faith matters to me, and it does shape how I see the world. But this channel isn't about preaching. It's about real life, real struggles, and real growth. Now, my jeans are faded and my boots are scuffed. My videos, they're not flashy, but the lessons are real. So if life has knocked you down and you got back up swinging, you're going to fit right in here. Because around here, we believe in personal responsibility, simple truths, and time-tested principles. So whether you're starting out or you're just starting over, you're welcome here. Because it's time to forge your life.